Do you know why some people harvest full crates of tomatoes, while others only get a few small fruits? Write to me in the comments. How many tomatoes have you harvested so far this season? And if you want your tomatoes to be strong, healthy, and full of fruits, be sure to stay until the end, because below I'll share the recipe for the best natural top dressing I have ever tried. Before we go, click like if you like growing vegetables and subscribe to the channel, because here I share only the most practical tips from the garden. So, why top dressing? During the flowering and fruiting stages, tomatoes take huge amounts of nutrients from the soil. If we don't give them to them, the plant weakens, the leaves turn yellow, and the fruits remain small. And this is exactly where this powerful natural top dressing comes into play. Take 1 liter of lukewarm water, 1 tablespoon of powdered milk or regular milk, 1 tablespoon of wood ash, a pinch of baking soda. Mix everything well and let it sit for half an hour. Then water the soil around the plant, not the leaves. Repeat this treatment every 2 weeks. This mixture not only nourishes the tomatoes, but also protects them from diseases and stimulates fruit formation. Share this video with your friends and family who love gardening. I have a rich harvest too. And of course, if you have your own secret recipe, write to me in the comments. See you in the next video. Until then, may your garden flourish.